frazalni glagoli, to cancel, otkazati. I will call off the meeting. I must call off the meeting. Moram da otkažem. To have none left. Ništa nije ostalo. Možemo reći, run down je kad je ostalo malo. Znači, we run down on milk. Let's run out of milk. Run out. None left, to not include something or someone. So, miss out. Number 4, to search. Look out bi bilo, hey, look out. There's a car there. Pazi, idu kola, look out. Look up, search, look up. Okay. To review, look over. Pregledati nešto, look over. Oops. To absorb information, primiti informaciju, ne take up, take under, nego take in the information. I took in the information. To be at a lower level than expected. Not to be on schedule. Kad ne pratimo, imamo neki svoj zacrtani ritam, ali ne uspevamo. Ne kažemo fall backwards, kao pasti unazad, fall over, to bi bilo pasti u doslovnom smislu. Fall behind, znači ne postići kako smo planirali. To die, umreti. To die, nažalost. That's the way. To faint, izgubiti, pass out. To faint, pass out. To return call, uzvratiti poziv. I'll call you back this afternoon. Pa ću te od popodneva. Okay, to return, back, vratiti se ili I'll get back. We'll get back to that. Vratit ćemo se na to, recimo na neku temu. To move, get around. To move, kretati se, get around. To take revenge, osvetiti se. Get out at someone, get back, ili get over someone. Back at someone, get back. She got back at her. Ona joj se osvetila. She got back at her. To start a new regular activity, recimo, I take on tennis. Take on tennis. Krećem na tenis. To continue the action of the previous person. Preuzeti neko, recimo, radno mesto. Preuzimamo take over. Preuzimamo radno mesto. Ili nešto drugo, ja? To see if you like something, I must try out this new perfume. Isproba. Try out. Isprobati parfum. To think you are better, misli da si bolji nego neko drugi. Look up to someone. Look up bi bilo obrnuto. To bi značilo poštovati nekoga. Misliti da je taj neko drugi bolji. Ali kad kažemo look down on someone, I look down on, or he looks down on her, znači on misli da je bolji od nje. To withdraw, povući se from something. Okay, turn under, back out, go back, out. Povući se iz nečega, neke aktivnosti. I konačno imamo to find the answer, pronaći odgovor, work out, work up, work into, naravno work out. Ok, nastavljamo druženje. Šta je ovo? Ima još pitanje. To wait a short time, hold on, yeah. Wrong, yeah. Okay, excellent. Thanks.